And how...
What in heaven's name are you drivelling on about?
Sorry. I used to lecture biology at uni.
Was that interesting?
I only did it for the sex education videos.
I see.
Now, do you want to enter the tournament or not?
I don't know. What do I have to do?
Fill in an entry form and then try to be more impressive than the others. Do you want to enter or not?
Go on then.
Right. I'll just need a few details. Name?
How about Francis?
Sex?
Sorry, you're not really my type.
I'll just put male, shall I?
If you like.
What's your date of birth?
I was born on the 4th of July, man.
Okay. Go into the waiting room and listen out for your number. You're number 9, okay?
I am not a number. I am a free man.
I hate people who can shamelessly quote in public.
Oh, yes. Well, you see that dog poo? That's you, that is. That's your favourite food.
Just shut up, will you?
I think the competition is a little too stiff for my liking.